So we're doing things a little different tonight. We're now go to our reporter, Giovanni Dennis, who joins us live following the grand finale of the 2023 Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. Giovanni?
Thanks so much, Janella. Well, Creative Kids Academy, third time in the final, second time winners. Chrisarai Martin is the captain of the team. Chrisarai, how do you feel about this victory?
I feel ecstatic, and it's such a surreal moment playing such a good team, such a great start, and I feel amazing.
And for you, Ethan?
It feels really amazing, and I'd like to thank my parents and all of the Creative Kids family.
And how does it feel for you as well?
It's very exciting, and I'm glad I got the opportunity to win Junior School Challenge Quiz.
Okay. The next person I'm going to speak with is 8 years old David Dunkley. How does it feel for you, David?
I feel very elated, and it's a very good feeling because of all the hard work we put in, and we sacrificed a lot.
Congratulations, especially to you. Romeo Lee is a 6-time quiz winner. He's won it 3 times as a coach at the senior level, once as a player for St. Jago. I'm being told by Javon Keys to say that loudly. And I hear Mr. Grant as well saying yes. And the second time now as the coach of Creative Kids Academy. How does this compare, Romeo?
I mean, it's incomparable. I mean, every year in and of itself is a big thing. I mean, I'm super proud of the guys. I'm so happy to see them actually taking home the trophy. They have really worked hard. Kudos to Great Start. They're an amazing team. I mean, the teams this year in the competition, they have really brought it. We've seen new teams come into the fray. And again, hats off to TVJ. I love this competition. I love the opportunity that they give the students to showcase their abilities and so forth. And as a product of quiz, I can tell you, there's no better feeling than seeing the next generation coming and stepping it up.
Very graceful indeed. Well, Janella and Archibald, that's it from us here in Studio A. The presentations will continue, and it's throwing right back to you in Studio, Janella.
There's something that I like to call the Jago takeover. Archibald is a Jago.